Shandong Yohao Energy Technology Company Limited, strategically located in Rizhao Economic and Development Zone, stands as a premier leader in the woodworking machinery industry. With over years of dedicated expertise, we specialize in the comprehensive R&D, manufacturing, and global distribution of precision CNC equipment, including CNC router machines, CNC fiber laser cutting machines, CNC aluminum processing machines, and CNC vibrating knife cutters. Uncompromising quality philosophy at Yohao. We firmly believe that quality is never outsourced. From our entry-level economic models to our most sophisticated industrial solutions, we exclusively integrate world-class components from renowned brands to ensure exceptional performance and longevity. Exceptional integrated manufacturing capabilities. We possess a complete in-house production system, equipped with a specialized sheet metal fabrication workshop and an experienced design team. This vertically integrated model not only ensures rigorous quality control and highly efficient responsiveness to customization requests, but also significantly reduces cost savings, which we directly pass on to you. We can provide machine sample processing demonstrations according to customer requirements. Partnership-driven success. We are more than manufacturers. We are your trusted business partners and friends. Our seasoned technical expertise, premium product quality, and relentless commitment to innovation are all dedicated to empowering your success. By delivering qualified cutting solutions at competitive costs, we help you achieve measurable operational savings and sustainable growth. Our promise, today and always, we uphold our core principle. Together as a team, striving continuously to exceed expectations. We sincerely look forward to building a prosperous cooperation with you.